There's plenty of doubt about most investments these days, but there is none whatsoever about gold. The yellow metal keeps hitting price levels never before seen, even when King Midas was collecting the stuff. More to the point, it's hard to find a reason not to expect it to go higher still. Here's why. Gold generally outperforms when there is a lot of doubt about the economy and financial assets. Check. Gold tends to shine when central banks are printing a lot of paper money. Check that too. Gold naturally does well in dollar terms when the dollar is falling against other currencies. Triple check. No wonder more and more financial planners recommend that you keep a portion of your portfolio in gold as financial disaster insurance. And that, of course, only drives demand for gold higher and is another reason to be bullish. But there's more to it than that even. Most central banks keep a portion of their foreign reserves in gold. Those percentages are much higher in developed economies than in emerging ones. So if China or India or Korea were to make an effort to close that gap even a little, the demand for the metal would soar who knows how much. In fact, India seemed to have taken a step exactly in that direction when it bought 200 metric tons of gold in early November, explaining that it was diversifying its foreign reserves. In short, the precious metal has never seemed more precious or seemed to have a clearer path to still higher prices. There is no coherent argument not to be bullish on gold, except one. This is how markets look at turning points. If you remember, it was just 10 years ago that you could barely give gold away for $250 an ounce. Central banks had all kinds of good reasons for selling their stores, and analysts were considered wise for calling gold a relic. The point is, things change. It's just human nature to see the future as all blue sky for any asset when its price is rising, and the opposite when it's falling. I don't know what might happen to change the bullish case for gold or when. I do know that opinion about gold changes, and human nature doesn't.